I'm going to show you how to dry your onions or shallots on a rather decorative string. If you first of all make a good loop of some quite strong twine and then just hang it up somewhere dry like that, and just with the ends tied like that. And if you take your shallots in this case, which I've dried with their leaves still on, and just wound them in a little figure of 8 like that. And then you take the next one and do exactly the same. And the weight of the first one, the second one, will keep the first one on there. And then on you go. You can tidy everything up afterwards and just slowly weave them in to your string like that. And that will keep them drying out until you want to snip them off to use in your cooking. And in the best tradition of Blue Peter, here's one I did earlier.